Both Michael Dyke, head coach of Edwin Allen Girls, and Dwayne Johnson, the head coach of Jamaica College, alluded to challenges faced this season en route to them winning their respective titles at the just concluded Boys and Girls Championships. Here's Denise Walters.
Speaking to TVJ Sports Saturday night, Michael Dyke revealed that the 11-time winners almost didn't make it to the Premier High School Athletics event in Jamaica. Edwin Allen scored 338.5 points, dethroning Heidel 259.5.
Well, initially, we lost one of our student athletes, Tanisha Gale, and we lost one of our former coach, Kirk Douglas. So we really dedicate this championship to them. And then after that we had the Hurricane Melissa, which really affected the schools severely. So it has really put a damp on our support system in terms of funding and everything. It was a real challenge, but I must say thanks to all those who came on board.
Meanwhile, Dwayne Johnson, who guided Jamaica College to their 23rd title and his first as head coach, noted there were some obstacles, but the dark blues prevailed in the end. Jamaica College ended on 345 points ahead of defending champions Kingston College, 282.
Along the way, we had some little challenges and hiccups, so I had to make a few changes here and there. But I give God thanks that everything come together nicely. Well, there was some difference in philosophies with some of us as coaches, and I had to step in as the leader and fix it quickly because I knew without unity as a coaching staff, we can't deliver the goods. And we are happy that we did it.
Both Dyke and Johnson explained the changes that they made to their program after not winning champs last year.
So we made some great mistakes which cost us the championship. And we vowed to ensure that things like those don't happen this year. So we tried to correct everything and put all the things in place that would ensure that the girls maintain their focus throughout the championship and execute properly.
Last year, having experienced my first year as a head coach, I recognized that, I was overwhelmed with a lot of stuff, right? So, like I said, that was one of the things that I thought I needed to fix. And so I was lucky enough that Corey Bennett became available, and I reached out to him and he happily accepted eventually, because at first he was hesitant. And then Bert Cameron reached out to me and I said, hey, why not? Come on board. And yeah, Rajiv Ford have been there for years, doing an excellent job with myself.
And Johnson believes he will have a sustainable program at JC.
We'll have sat down and developed a blueprint that obviously worked. So it's just perfecting it a little bit more, and hopefully we can carry this right through.
For Dyke, it's not just about winning champs, but making sure the athletes are well-rounded.
One of our things is that we always want to produce good student athletes, so they just don't run and leave. We ensure that they move on to the next level, whether through institutions or going professional-wise. So that is one of the things that we ensure. We provide the avenues, the vehicles that will take them to the next level.
Many of the athletes who performed at the Boys and Girls Championships now turn their attention to representing Jamaica at this weekend's Carifta Games in Grenada. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.